Is the rocket ship running out of gas? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Update for Tuesday, July the 21st. And I don't know if anything happened on the way to explosion. And although the markets are pretty big, except the NASDAQ was up big, up over 100, and is now down about 80. You know, we've seen this before. I mean, it's not a new movie. Okay, they got a little ahead of themselves, and they took everything up, and now they're taking it down. I don't know. I wouldn't get too concerned yet. I mean, I'm never concerned, but I wouldn't get too concerned about the action. The Dow's up big. The Russell's exploding now after getting pounded, and the S&P's up. And as it fits our position, we're long NASDAQ, S&P, and Dow, short Russell. We'll see. Again, we don't predict. We just watch them and play the price action. And when you can learn to understand price action, I don't care about breadth. I don't care about anything but one thing, price action. That's it. Okay. Meantime, the metals are exploding. I mean, I think they're telling you that there's something coming out. There's a news item that will hit the tape in the next day or so, which is why I think you're seeing this overwhelming rally. I mean, silver is up. This is the biggest move in silver I've seen in a long time. Okay. Gold is up about $25. Platinum is up like $50 or $60. Okay. Again, look. We're long gold, silver, short platinum, but the platinum may be reversing. But again, we've seen this from platinum the last few weeks, and it's failed every time. So let's see what happens today. Corn, poor corn. Again, you know, look, they're just hammering away. The funds have got control. You've got illiquid markets. You've got no volume. You've got no interest, and plus the fact that you got no new money to go in agriculture. So today, corn and beans are down. Yesterday, beans were higher. Today, corn and beans are down. We're short both, okay? And wheat is up a little bit and after getting hammered yesterday, and now we're long wheat. So, look, that doesn't change. Again, we don't get involved in this minute-to-minute crap, because that's what it is. Minute-to-minute is crap. Yeah, meats are all nearly around unchanged. Feeders are a little bit higher. Hogs a little bit higher. Fats a little bit lower, but nothing to even think about at these levels. But again, we go back to no trade, slow action. You know, the biggest problem in the farming market is going to be demand. Okay, that's going to be the biggest problem. Unless we get some unbelievable weather that destroys a lot of inventory. I mean, it's going to be the weather. And again, I am not concerned about China and the deal, because trust me, China will be a buyer, whether they're buying it themselves or through a third party if they need it. Okay. Copper is higher again. Copper's been really wild. There's a much bigger move coming in copper, and I don't know if it's not going to be the downside, but we're not predicting. We're still long it. Natural gas, we reversed to short today, and it is now up a little bit. Okay, the dollar is getting hammered, and the euro currency is popping, which fits us perfect because we're short dollars, long euros now. So now we've just got the straight long spread on. All right, crude. This is why I don't fight the algorithm, okay? I said that I hated it. I didn't want to be in it. I'd rather be short it. Today it's up $1.50. Okay? And again, that's why I don't use my opinion for these longer term calls. I let the algorithm do its work, okay? Bonds are still higher. I hate bonds too, but they're higher, okay? So again, am I going to say it's wrong? Of course it's not wrong, because the price is always right. But where's Bob Barker? The price is always right. If you think it's anything different, you're wrong, okay? And that's really what's going on. I mean, it's still a quiet, crappy, illiquid kind of trading day. And that's what we expect right now. That's what we're getting. So we trade the market we have, not the one we want. In the meantime, very excited to do a webinar today for family farms at 3:30 Eastern. It'll be a lot of fun, and I don't even know what it's going to be about yet. It's going to be, I've been trying to figure out what I want to discuss, and it's going to be wild and a lot of fun, but I'm really looking forward to it. And of course, don't forget about our commodities report. I mean, Andy Hecht has been spot on these commodities. He covers about 12 to 16 markets with the future and an ETF. So again, weekly reports, quarterly reports, unbelievable. You want to check it out? Go to bubbatrading.com and check it out. And of course, don't forget about our brokerage partners. I mean, we have the best brokerage partners there are. Okay, CTG for commodities and futures. letter of direction trading, which they do all of our letter of direction trading, including mine. Okay, now I have brokerage accounts elsewhere, but I like them to do my stuff because they take care of it. It's timely. It's done properly at all times. And that's who we use for our letter of direction trading. And they've got some nice new products on their own, which you may want to check out. Some funds and things like that. Really good stuff. Top returns, but you check it out. And of course, Tradier. Now I get other brokerage accounts and equities and options as well. But the one I use the most and the one I steer most of my business to is Tradier. Why? Because again, I always go back to the first thing. It's $10 a month. All right. First of all, that's the first thing. Number one. Number two, we have their API. And as we get more automation, which we'll be introducing to hedgers, something new this week or next week, okay, I don't have to worry about it. It gets done for me automatically because we've got their API so I can get it done. Okay. So, and I don't have to pay more for that. It's just part of the software. So again, they're great and their customer service is outstanding. So, you want to hear anything about CTG or Tradier, send me an email, bubba@bubbatrading.com. I'll send you their link. And of course, don't forget about our high school program as we rebuild our program for hopefully the new school year. And that's at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. Have a great trading day, everybody. We'll see you back here tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update.